Welcome to Singapore, where tradition meets luxury and history comes alive. Today we invite you to join us on a remarkable journey to one of Asia's most legendary and prestigious hotels, the timeless Raffles Hotel. Step into a world of opulence and elegance, where every corner tells a story and every detail exudes sophistication. For over a century, Raffles Hotel has stood as an epitome of luxury and hospitality, embodying the essence of Singapore's rich heritage. The Grand Lobby. Prepare to be mesmerized as you step into the Grand Lobby of the Raffles Hotel. The soaring ceilings, timeless chandeliers, and elaborate architecture instantly transport you to a bygone era of elegance and glamour. Raffles logo. The Raffles logo, inspired by the mythical Merlion, symbolizes the fusion of two cultures, the East and the West, reflecting the essence of Singapore itself. The suites indulge in pure luxury in one of Raffles's exquisitely designed suites. Each room is a masterpiece, blending historic charm with contemporary comfort, ensuring a truly unforgettable stay for every guest. Your journey here is made even more special by the personalized service of the Raffles butlers, who cater to your every need with grace and warmth. The Long Bar. No visit to Raffles is complete without experiencing the legendary Long Bar. This iconic venue is the birthplace of the world-famous Singapore Sling, a refreshing concoction that has delighted guests for generations. Savor the taste of history as you sip on your very own Singapore Sling, surrounded by the ambiance of times long past. The Raffles Arcade. The Raffles Arcade offers a curated selection of high-end boutiques, providing an exclusive shopping experience for discerning guests. From luxury fashion to exquisite souvenirs, the Raffles Arcade is a treasure trove of carefully chosen delights, embodying the timeless allure of Singapore. Dining experiences. Raffles Hotel presents a symphony of flavors to satisfy every palate. From the exquisite French cuisine at La Dame de Pique, the vibrant North Indian fare at Tiffin Room, to the authentic local dishes at the Raffles Courtyard, each dining experience is a journey of culinary delight. The Raffles Spa. Take a moment to unwind and rejuvenate at the Raffles Spa, where ancient healing traditions are fused with modern therapies, providing a sanctuary of wellness and relaxation. Conclusion. As the sun sets over Singapore's skyline, the magic of Raffles Hotel endures. This is more than just a hotel. It's an extraordinary destination that encapsulates the essence of Singapore's past and its vision for the future. So, whether you're looking for a luxurious getaway or a glimpse into Singapore's captivating history, Raffles Hotel promises an experience like no other. Make your reservations today and embark on a journey to one of Asia's most iconic and luxury hotels, Raffles Hotel Singapore. Like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more exclusive travel content. See you at Raffles.